Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs Carl Bethel QC says he anticipates revealing more information on the deal negotiated for the Baha Mar resort by the previous Progressive Liberal Party administration. The AG was sworn in on Friday at Government House.
As Attorney General, I have a little more ability to find out what the facts are, and those facts will then guide whatever the approach will be. But as I understand it, they would have been sealed by a court order, so obviously some approach would have to be, or perhaps maybe not necessary, maybe some other arrangement could be arrived at.
The Attorney General was also questioned on whether or not the Free National Movement government will keep its commitment to appointing an independent director of public prosecutions.
There has been a school of thought over the past 30 years or more throughout the Caribbean and in other countries, such as Great Britain, where it was felt to be better to separate entirely the civil function of the Lord Chancellor, Attorney General, etc., and to have a Director of Public Prosecutions focusing purely on the application of the criminal law. At the end of the day, not only will he or she be given the independence, on a day-to-day independence and everything else, we will also ensure that the office has the tools, the equipment, the resources, the personnel, and I mean, when I say personnel, I'm not talking about just clerks and persons who may type and whatever. I'm speaking about investigative assistance. I'm speaking about having forensic accounting capabilities, enhancing the powers of the Director of Public Prosecutions to obtain the information necessary to make a proper judgment as to whether or not to commence a public prosecution.